Hello crafty viewers! So I am here today with a second video, and this one has a quick tip on how to align the dies from the Poinsettia Petals die set with the flocked paper as well as with the designer series paper. So one of my viewers left a comment on one of my videos where I had used this beautiful flocked vellum paper and said that they were having a tough time trying to align the dies. And I would sure hate to have people trying to cut the paper and then go through a whole bunch of pieces where it gets misaligned and doesn't cut right. So I thought I'd put together a little quick video because there's got to be some kind of a landmark on the dies that we would be able to use to quickly and easily line up each time. So I took on that challenge and here we are. So this die has lots of different pointy elements, lots of different small pointies in between, and it's really hard to figure out where on the flower it should line up. The one thing that I did notice that makes it easy to figure out where the points need to go is I saw that this petal here has this little bulge that sticks out. And I thought that that might be a good way to try to figure out on the die if I could find a petal that has that. Oops, sorry. This one here has that little notch that sticks out. So you have kind of cat ears and then a little cat cheek sticking out right here. And if you lay it down, you see that that aligns perfectly. So you need to find the die that has cat ears and a little cat cheek, and maybe these are the whiskers. Now, on the designer series paper that also came in this product suite, there were two different papers that had poinsettias on them, and only one of these papers can you use the dies to cut the flowers out. This paper, they don't fit. I did not find any dies that aligned with the flowers on this particular piece of paper. So this is the smaller flowers paper, and that has the pine needles on it. This one is the paper that had the flowers that some of them aligned, and I don't think it was actually all of them actually aligned. It was only a handful of them. And so for that one, it's this shape of flower right here, and there's only a handful of them on this piece of paper. Here's one, here, here, and here, and these other ones don't. So again, you take a look for where you have the cat ears, and then the little cat cheek, and then the cat whiskers. And if you find that on the die and line that up, it aligns perfectly, and that is the angle that you need to put the dies on. So hopefully you find this helpful. And for my subscriber that asked the question, thanks for asking the question. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.